How to make the 5G faster on your iPhone. So in this video, I'll show you a few ways on how to speed up your 5G on your iPhone. Now, first thing you need to do is just go and load up your settings, scroll down this page and select mobile service. Now scroll down to the list of SIMs and go and select your SIM number. Now click on voice and data and make sure you have this set to 5G on. You can then come back over to the previous window, click on data mode and set this to allow more data on 5G. Now head back over to the main settings page on your phone, scroll down to battery and click on this, scroll down and click on power mode and make sure the low power mode is turned off and disabled. You'll then need to come back over to the main settings page, scroll down and click on General, scroll down to the bottom and select VPN and Device Management. Now if you're connected to a VPN, then just go and disconnect from it now, as this can sometimes slow down your 5G connection. Now if you have tried all of the steps in this video and you're still getting a slow 5G coverage, the final solution is just to come back down to General and click on this, scroll down to the bottom of the page and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now press the Reset button and click on Reset Network Settings. You'll then simply need to enter the passcode to your iPhone, and once you've done that, your 5G should now be much faster. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.